this is okay. I'm recording now. This is the most interesting part for many partners, because you sponsored like 75 or more partners with Ultimate Partner Kits in the last half a year.
Yeah.
75 or more.
Yeah.
How come? How do you do this? What's the secret, or no secret?
There is. What I do is instead of closing people, I open them, but that's, I think, what we need to do. So what I do is, when I have a conversation with people, I first want to know where they are, what they do, and then I'll make them a plan. I'll tell them, I'm gonna change the position of the table. I'm gonna sit on your chair. I'm gonna think for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna help you to find a way that it will fit your schedule, and let's find out the way we can do that it will work for you.
Okay, I see.
I have people, they don't.
1 second.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's the baby.
Yeah.
He wants also to be on the recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for example, I had last week, there was a partner. She hesitated. I don't know yet the business. Said no problem. So if people hesitate, I never put them on a subscription. I always put them on a prepaid kit.
Okay.
And then I tell them the story. The reason why I do that is I know what's going to happen. You start with the products, and it will take 3 or 4 months, and then you are convinced of what the products will do.
Yeah.
And then you will call me, and then you want to become a partner.
Okay.
And then you have to pay a subscription at my account, and you need, for the fast start, your own customers. And I want that you become your own customer then, ordering the products at your account, because I know what's going to happen. So I make them already picture in their mind that it's only 3-4 months, and then they are a partner. That's one.
Okay.
And then from there, I will tell them there is no risk on an Ultimate Body Kit, because we have a system where when we give people a test, we give them a problem, and we have a solution with proof. Works always with everyone. And I will tell them the same story. When I pick up a stone from the ground and throw it in the air, there's gravity. Throw it 1,000 times in the air, it will always fall down.
Yeah.
It's the same with the products. If you use the products, they will work.
Yeah.
It's not a question if, but we only can help you if you say yes to the solution.
Yeah.
So we have a gift, and you decide if you want to unpack it. It's same with the business. I don't need you, but you need us.
Yeah.
Because it changed my life. And then I talk about my goal. My first goal is 6-star global president, and there is no rank like that in the company yet, and everybody says you're crazy.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. It means for me that I need at least 150, 60, but in real life, 300 people making 12,000 euros or more. And I don't care who it is.
Yeah.
You can choose if you want to be some. So I don't know if 12,000 euros a month will change your life. And then I quiet.
Yeah.
And then they start smiling. So I see.
Okay.
And then I tell them, if you give me 100 million euros, I will not change anything. Yeah, I will buy a new car and maybe a second home, but that's it.
Yeah.
And if I gave you 100 million euros, so money is no problem. You know, not 1 million, 100. Would you do the same as you do now? And then I'm quiet, and it's always no. Always. And then I say, okay, that's interesting. So when everything is possible, you should have a different life, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I move them into a dream again.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
And then I explain them, and we can find a way with Sensino, with a test-based concept. It will take you a year, 3, 5 years, 10 years, maybe. I don't know. But it's possible for everyone.
Yeah.
and also when they say, yeah, but I can't do it. So now I understand.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know anything about this business when I started. I had an IT company for 22 years.
Mm-hmm.
I have a system I can teach a monkey.
Mm-hmm.
So because I did it the same. And yeah, last week I had a lady, she keeps hesitating. I told her, I have two options for you.
Mm-hmm.
She wants to have it. She did already a test,
Mm-hmm.
got a bad score, of course. And now her two children and husband also needed to test.
Mm-hmm.
So I told her what's going to happen. You need tests and
Mm-hmm.
you need products because you eat the same food. So it's not possible that you are bad and they are good.
Yeah.
Be honest, yeah. They see. Okay, so I can do two things: put you on a prepaid kit. I make 30% cash commission because I have top team.
Mm-hmm.
Or you buy an ultimate body kit. We don't stress on the fast start and everything because I will explain you what's going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
You buy the ultimate body kit. You have 10 tests,
Mm-hmm.
20 bottles of oil, big ones, 20 small ones.
Mm-hmm.
Take that kit. Then you get the results back in 2-3 weeks. And then you need products. And then you can become your own customer, get 10% commission on that.
Mm-hmm.
And when you that are ready to do that, then it's even better to reactivate the auto order because
Mm-hmm.
then you also can make the 995 euros back.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I take away the stress and
Mm-hmm.
I take away all the things that they think they can't do or they don't want to do.
I see.
And
That,
some will and some won't. And sometimes I have a partner that would be much better as a customer,
mm-hmm.
but that's the deal.
That
They have a
sounds very,
position.
very smooth. That sounds very good.
And what I also have, I had people that started 2.5 years ago with a position, didn't do anything. And I tell them, it's I help you build the business, I help you, and you build the business. So it's like playing chess. I
Mm-hmm.
do one move, you do one move. If you don't move, I have no job.
Yeah, yeah.
So and people know that. So and in the beginning, they need it, and they have a lot of things, and they can do it, and they have a huge network, and I'm done with that.
Yeah.
If they don't call me, okay.
But
If you
Peter,
don't
yeah,
do the fast start, no problem. No.
one more question, Peter. Where do you find those new people to talk to?
Um,
Your contact list should be already over years ago.
no, I be honest. At the moment, I have no contact list.
This is this is interesting. So where do you get those people from?
It's tap routing from the team.
Definitely. So you ask someone in the team to connect you with someone they know.
Yeah. Today I got a phone call from a partner. She's now 1 year in the team. Makes 400, 500 euros a month.
Mm-hmm.
Built pro team. Has her health back. She wants to do the business. She's a business lady. She called me today. I can't do it anymore. I tried it for a year. I'm happy on the products. I will keep telling to everyone what it is, but I can't deal with the no's anymore. And I'm it takes a lot of energy from my and said, stop it, stop it. Don't do that anymore. You will, this is needed for you because I know what's going to happen. Then I move them into a story. You will meet people within the next 6 months that you maybe think they have interest in the Zeno, but you're tired of getting a no.
Mm-hmm.
That's as part of an energy. I know where I want to go. Ask them if they are open to look at an extra opportunity. And then doesn't matter what they make on money. If the money is good enough for you, are you open to look at an extra opportunity?
Mm-hmm.
If it's not, okay. If it's yes, is it okay that I will give you your contact details to Peter? I work with him. He will contact you. He will, and then I will do that, and I will tell them in the meeting. So, and if they then say, yeah, but I don't know if I can do this, remember, you got in contact with me. How?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and she's not on this call, isn't? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that?
Okay,
I can
I'm
do that.
getting the point. That sounds really good.
But the problem with that is you also get people that you think, oh my God,
I understand.
not gonna happen. So I have also times that I wasted time on people. So then I made it a different story. They can pass context to me, but they first need to know what the problem is we can help them with, and then it's allowed to pass them. So don't pass people to me that don't know from anything.
Hmm.
Don't tell them about Cinzino. Don't tell them about the products. Never.
Hmm.
Tell them it's a test-based system. It's in more than 100 countries. It's
Hmm.
ready and done system with a company with almost 200 employees. It's publicly traded, so that there is a little bit of trust.
Hmm.
And from there, um, they ask, yeah, but what is it? Can
Hmm.
you give me the name? Can you always explain why you don't give a name? When
Hmm.
you go to a doctor, when I have a problem and I call my doctor, then he's not going to tell me, oh, I think it's that. Come get some pills and you will be fine. No,
Yeah.
he tells me, come, I want to see you.
Hmm.
So it's the same with this business. So it's not that I don't want to explain you what it is. It's not that I don't want to share you the link,
Hmm.
but I know what's going to happen. It's you will find out some things on Google and
Hmm.
you will make a decision based on half the info or the wrong info.
Hmm.
And I know it will change your life.
Yeah.
And it's okay if it's not for you, but then I want you to make the decision after the complete story.
Yeah.
And when they don't have time available for that, then I'd say that that's no problem because I'm only looking for open-minded people that want to have a solution for a better life.
Hmm.
And if that's not for you at the moment,
Yeah.
I'm there in 30 years also.
Yeah.
So feel free to come back. And if they say no, then they say no to themselves.
Of course. Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
And I'm not attached to the outcome. I really don't care. And I tell them, I don't need you.
Hmm.
You need me. I have a gift. It's up to you if you unpack it.
Hmm. That sounds very, very good. Very smooth, Peter.
And that's the whole magic. And so I say it's what you see is what you get.
I want to go sponsor more people right now.
Yeah,
You motivated me.
yeah. Because unbalance in the team, it's only possible to deal with that by sponsoring more people.
Hmm. I'm now number 2 in my team by number of sponsored partners.
Okay.
Number 1 by credits.
Yeah.
So yeah. So but I want to go on founders trip.
Yeah.
So I need how many? 50? What was that?
50, 5,000 credits and
Five-
50 people. So it's
50
possible.
people, 5,000 credits.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not about the trip. The trip is just the bonus on top of. It's just a cherry on a cake.
Yeah.
But the cake is that I want to become so good at sponsoring that I would just do it with no stress. It's
Yeah.
just okay. Let's go to founders trip for next year again.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. And it is, yeah, it's make a decision
Mhm.
and go for that. And when the team gets bigger,
Mhm.
I lose a lot of time by coaching people and
Yeah,
they are stuck for a year on platinum level, for example.
yeah, yeah.
And they take every week they take at least 1 hour and if they got a chance to on questions on and I quit that to a lower amount because before you know you're only working with and for the team and then you have no time available
Hmm.
for the recruits.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And
you need to
that's
schedule that. You need to
and,
make a plan.
yeah, and they if they learned to recruit, then the problem would be solved.
Yeah. And that's the next part. I'm now trying to teach people how to recruit. And I have a culture in the team that when the person that going to help, it's the sponsor. Nikolai, for example, yeah, he sponsored last year 5 people. 3 didn't pay the ultimate body kit.
Hmm.
One had a basic kit and one started, and he placed her in the team. And then he called another one. I placed a partner in your team. I think it's good when we connect and that
Yeah,
you're gonna help.
absolutely. Yeah, it's very
And
good.
then it goes away.
Yeah.
And then he is the sponsor. He makes the mental bonus, puts in the system. Good
Ah,
luck.
yeah.
I hate that.
No, that's not how it should go.
So,
But to connect people is good, but not
yeah,
disappear. Yeah, I
but
understand.
there
So,
is a
so
difference between sponsoring and enrolling.
yeah, yeah,
Sponsoring is when you start working for them.
yeah. Nice, nice. So this sounds very smooth to me. I think I learned a lot from you today.
Yeah,
This
and
is
I'm
so cool. Maybe we do another meeting with
always
you. Then, if you want to know anything,
always happy
what
to.
I do and how I do that,
Yeah,
just let me know, and I will share my whatever
yeah,
secrets or not secrets or whatever how I do that.
yeah. Because who's your upline?
My upline, they are no longer in the business. I got
Okay,
from my upline 13, maybe 15 first meetings. And that was the end of my upline.
okay.
I built it all, well, I wouldn't say alone. I built it with my downline.
Yeah, yeah, okay, but that's
The
good.
whole thing with my team. This is, yeah. So I I think I had like one or two partners placed under me who never started.
Yeah,
From
okay, yeah.
above,
For me, the
someone
same.
from above placed, yeah,
Yeah,
someone under me, but that's basically it. So, but I'm happy. I'm proud of it. So
that's good because I have the same that you can show people how it is,
yeah,
and it's also with when I show the, for
but
example.
this was one of my questions when I was starting, when I was signing up. I
Yeah,
asked, so if I do more than you guys, those who were sponsoring me. So I said, if
yeah,
I do more than you guys, who is going to be earning more?
yeah,
And he said, you are going to be earning more. I said, then it's fine. Then we
yeah.
can
Then I will do that.
start. I knew what's going to happen. Just like you say, I know what's going to happen.
Yeah, yeah. And this is my Dutch account,
Ah, nice, nice, very nice.
and that's where I built actively two teams on the left and the right side.
Oh, nice, perfect. This is like very stable
Yeah,
growth.
it's the same curve as you have.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
stable, up, 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 up,
perfect.
and
Perfect.
that's good. And I don't build actively on the other side because it's banking, and when I will start there and I will push that, then yeah, it can make me an ambassador or something like that very fast.
That's what I wish as fast
I
as
want
for you.
I want to be in the leader concept.
Absolutely. We are looking forward for that.
Yeah,
Okay, Peter. So
me too.
thank you so much. To remind everyone, if you're watching this, Peter recruited 75 partners.
It's now 59 at the moment, 59, 6 and 15. So that's 21, 70, 80 at the moment.
80 partners with Ultimate Partner Kits over the last 6 months. That's approximate, right? Plus minus 1 week or something. But this is crazy good. He's #1 in Zinzino at recruiting partners, and I'm learning a lot today, and I'm so happy you, Peter, shared those secrets with me and
Yeah,
with my team and with
always willing to
anyone
help.
who wants to see that. So
Yeah,
amazing,
everyone can learn from that. And that's what we do. We are in the teaching business.
amazing, amazing, Peter. Thank you so much. And you have a big heart. You always ask, like you're one of those guys that I'm so happy when you ask me something. Like, oh, how is your baby,
Yeah,
or anything? Yeah, this is so cool. I feel this very genuine. So
it's a people business.
yeah, I'm so
And
happy.
I hate things that are not honest and people that are not
Yeah.
honest.
Okay,
You
Peter.
can trick me once.
Yeah, so thank you so much. And have fun and talk to you next time.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.